Local news for Wednesday the 12th of December. It's been a busy year for archer Melissa Mowbray. This year saw her collect 3 golds for indoor and outdoor, the Nationals, as well as several regional awards. Alyssa completes regularly and qualified to shoot for the Worlds and is also trying to get into the Trans-Tasman team for next year while awaiting confirmation from Archery New Zealand about the New Zealand record she broke at the weekend. A candlelit vigil for murdered tourist Grace Mill will be held outside the Masterton Town Hall tonight, beginning at 7 p.m. Vigils are also being held across the country. And the Wairarapa has seen a huge increase in expired and incorrectly fitted car seats in vehicles. Wairarapa Road Safety Council Project Coordinator Holly Helena says to try and combat the issue of expired car seats, they're inviting families to drop them off at Breep House on Queen Street before midday on Thursday the 20th of December, and they'll dispose of them for them. Children 0 to 7 or up to 148 centimetres tall are required by law to be restrained in an appropriate car seat. This means in order for it to be legal, it must meet the manufacturer's standards. And finally in sports, this month's TECT National Sevens will feature 16 provincial unions who qualified out of the Northern, Central and Southern Regional Sevens competitions. Wairarapa Bush are one of the only 2 Heartland unions represented.